To begin, open Settings on your handset. Then go to General. Swipe up to go down. At the bottom you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. From the menu that appears, select Reset. Another menu will pop up from the bottom. Select Reset All Settings. Tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. To finalize your decision, tap Reset All Settings once more. This process will reset various system settings, including Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, display preferences, and wallpaper selections without impacting your personal data, photos, or app content. Once complete, your iPhone will restart automatically, applying the default settings across these areas. So in this way, you can reset all settings on your iPhone 16 Pro Max.